Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HFN News. You are at a very good location to get better understanding as to what we are expecting the market to go. Okay, relax. You guys don't have to be worried about us using any indicators on our charts because those things are pointless and useless. It has no purpose in understanding where a market is going to go. And we've been showing you all that numerous times, numerous videos, that you're still able to get an update as to what the trap is feeling and where the likely move is going to be without using those things. So if this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then hit that bell notification because you do not want to miss out. You want to be notified of whenever we upload our videos to this platform so that you will be warned or forewarned as to what we're seeing on the price chart. Today's video is going to be about Bitcoin. We're going to update you all on what the trap has done since our last video in Bitcoin, which you guys can see already was back here on the 28th of August. So it's been 3 days. Bitcoin, you can see it. We forecast that the trap was going to increase the value of Bitcoin. And that is precisely what the trap has done. Now, can it continue? That's the question that we're going to answer today on this video, seeing that today is the last day for the month of August 2020. We will not get this time again. So we're going to look at this chart for Bitcoin on the monthly time frame first. Okay. So let me zoom in real quick. Now, looking at the price chart monthly time frame for Bitcoin, what happened for the month of August? You tell me, right? What occurred? Now, the volume is average, from the last 2 months. We haven't seen nothing out the norm in that sense. So we pretty much had everyone who participated the last 2 months, they participated again for the month of August, right? So there's nothing there for the most part. But when you look at the chart, when you look at the price bar for August, look at it. What happened? What does that freaking thing mean? Let us know. You guys can see that we, or the market, try to break above $12,000, right? And it's no difference from what occurred for the month of June, July, and August of 2019. It's been a whole year for Bitcoin to come back up to this $12,000 price. That's not coincidence. You guys can see it looks just like a U or a dip. And now we're testing $12,000 again. Don't be confused. Okay. Now, what changed? What looks different this time around versus what occurred a year ago? A year ago, we're seeing definitely instances of weakness into the market in Bitcoin. For 3 consecutive months, this cryptocurrency tried to break above $12,000 and consecutively it failed. That's why we're seeing that dip. That's why the market in Bitcoin moved lower in price. Now, we're back up here again. We're testing that $12,000 again. Don't let nobody else fool you on that. It is what it is. The market is preparing and is testing to see whether or not it's ready to break above $12,000 once again. Now, we had a whole year, 365 days to prepare itself to break $12,000. And so far, is a great battle going on between the market sellers and the trap. The ones who came into Bitcoin a year ago, expecting the market to hit $15,000, $20,000 a year ago, they're now trying to sell back into the market just to break even. It took a whole year just for those who bought in August of 2019, just for them to come right back and break even. Now think about that. You've been in a loss for a whole year, and now you finally get the opportunity to break even. What would you awfully do? Those individuals will awfully get off the boat and try to break even. At least get the money that I put in, let me get the most of it back out. So there has been selling and is being very visual on the monthly time frame. So let's take a look at the weekly then. Looking at the weekly chart, has the market in Bitcoin tried to continuously higher price to break above $12,000 is what I'm saying. And emphatically, yes, it has. And this, the weekly price chart, is where you'll see how the trap is still aiming to break price above $12,000. Yes, this is it. You're looking at it right now to where the trap is telling you, and he's telling me, hey, I'm trying to break this price up above 12K. I'm just giving you all a heads up because it is definitely being seen on the weekly price chart for Bitcoin. Matter of fact, I do like what's going on in the market of Bitcoin over the last 5 weeks. I mean, for us to see weakness coming to the market for the week of July 27th, and then again on the week of August the 17th, and the market is not even falling, man, that tells you something, right? So this forecast is literally a no change. The update that we are getting from the trap from our last video, which was 3 days ago, hasn't changed. We're still seeing instances to where he wants to increase the value of this currency. So we are going to do our forecast on this particular package for Bitcoin as a no change. We're still looking for the trap to try to break this price above $12,000. Our TP, I'm not sure, we had it on our last video, but now we're going to try to tag it out there towards $12,000. Now, I'm not going to say it's going to be perfectly at $12,000. So let's just shoot for what? $11,925, somewhere around that area. But just understand that he has indicated to you and to me that that price, he wants to allow it to go a little bit higher. So that's what we're going to do. Now, do you see anything change in the forecast for Bitcoin? Let us know. It's that simple. It's that easy. Tell us. Is Bitcoin going to continue to move higher or lower? The comment section is your opportunity to let us know what you think about the market. We're going to go higher or lower, and then as well, give us your TP price. Okay? Now, make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, it's simple. I'll talk to you on the next one.